Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in Yes Business Tower located in Barsha 1. At 1,100 square foot, this unit is offered as fitted finish only and is situated on a low floor. The office is finished to a high standard, well laid out with 4 partitions including a meeting room and ready for use immediately with an attached private pantry and washroom. Visitor on-street parking available, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.